Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a new fountain pen again, and this one is the Flair Ink Tanker Liquid Ink Fountain Pen. And this pen um, comes with a very good packing, and this Hrithik Roshan's photo over here. बचपन से आज तक मेरा दोस्त मेरा फ्लेयर. This pen comes with a 2x ink reservoir for double writing. So what is that? Just we will see now after opening the fountain pen. Let us see the price of the fountain pen. This pen is costing 70 rupees, but I think this is the old stock. It was manufactured in 2018. The new stock may be a little higher in price. This was an old stock which I got. The pen can be easily opened, just you have to slide out this and the pen comes out. And now let us see the parts of the pen. This one comes with a very beautiful small cap like this, you can see, and then we have the barrel or the cartridge, we can say. This cartridge just comes like a usual barrel of the fountain pens, except that it is a type of cartridge filler. You can see there is a ball over here which will be punctured and it will work as a cartridge, or you can say as a barrel as well. This itself is the cartridge or the barrel, both combined, and you need to push this into the pen and it will be punctured and you can start writing with it. So as you can see, there are two cartridges over here, and this pen is set up like this in its packing with this one. Yeah, we need to screw this and we can get the pen inked up. Okay, now here I'll just insert. This is the barrel, and what we have to do is we have to screw it like this, and now the pen is ready. Now let's see the parts of the fountain pen. The grip section comes with a very beautiful design, and this rubber grip over here. As you can see, there are lines over the grip, and it is a little on the higher side on the grip. It is more girthier over here than the normal pens. So for those people who like more girthier pens or bigger pens, this is a good pen. And the ink also, the pen also is slightly heavier than the normal ones because of the presence of this rubber and the barrel, which is totally little more plastic than normal pens. Yeah, let's see the nib. The nib has a Flair engraved on the pen. It is a fine tipped nib, and the feed is plastic, totally made of plastic, and the barrel comes with a very nice graphics over here, you can see. Overall, for students and those who like to use cartridge pen, this looks very beautiful. Let me cap and show this pen, and this is the pen. Let us compare the size of the pen. Yeah, the size of the pen is almost equal to that of Camlin 47R, but it is a little more fatter pen or girthier pen, you can say. From the barrel section, it is a little more girthier. The cap is a little small compared to others, but it is okay. Now let's write and see how it writes. We will have a writing sample of the pen. For the parts of the pen is good at holding, since it has a very nice grip section, as usually now we get with the ball pens. This has a very good grip, but it is a little fatter on the hold. When you hold it, it is a little more fatter. Let's have a writing sample of the pen. So the pen today is Flair Ink Tanker fountain pen, and it's a cartridge pen, cartridge type fountain pen, but the barrel itself is the cartridge. and let me write the sentence and show. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Yeah, it is writing pretty smoothly and there is no scratchiness in the nib. I'll show you the lines of the pen. See, the lines are very smooth and it's a medium size nib, I think so. It's writing very smoothly without any break. It is continuously writing. A very good pen, very smooth writer. The grip is especially good for those who like more girthier pens. The grip is really very good. Let me show you the reverse writing. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Yeah, reverse writing is also possible and it is given consistent writing over here. It is not skipping in the reverse writing also. Let me show you how much it throws the ink. Yeah, it is adequate, not more, not less. It is adequate for cartridge fountain pen. It is giving adequate amount of ink without skipping. So for this value, it is a good fountain pen. For a value of 70 rupees or 80 rupees, it is a good fountain pen. And it comes with this, the barrel, which works as a cartridge. After the barrel is finished, you can add the normal ink into it using a syringe or a dropper. You can add normal ink into it and use it as a barrel. But you get this barrel also, I think it costs around 20 or 30 rupees. You may get a new barrel of different color inks. So I hope this review gives good information about this pen, and thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, do like and share the video, and thanks for watching.